So, traders, in today's video, I'm gonna be breaking down to you guys possible direction for the coming week. So I do not only educate you guys, but I also prepare you guys for the coming week that we might be looking forward to experience. But before we start the video, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on that video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. Or if you're looking for a in-person mentorship course, then you came to the right place, because COT Academy has a 2-day in-person mentorship course made for you, made to change you, and made to build you to be who you're destined to be, from beginner to professional, from unprofitable to profitable. So if you're looking to capitalize using it, then I guess you're gonna take my number, my Instagram link, or my Telegram link, or my WhatsApp link, give me a text, give me a DM, or give me a call so we can chop it up, and so I can change your life for the good and for the better. But without further ado, let me just break down to you guys what we might look forward to experience, and let me make sure that I gave you guys all the gems and all the earnings that you need so you can capitalize, right? So, as all you guys understand, that the first pair that we always work on was forever nasdaq, and it's forever nasdaq. And as you can clearly see, our structure on nasdaq, price is still bullish. So with our structure being bullish, all I can now break down to you guys is what we might be looking forward to capitalize on within the coming week, right? So as you clearly understand, price, we have marked out this very same zone, and the zone was our previous higher high that gave us this deeper pullback of a higher low, right? And from that higher low, price gave us a simple break and retest and gave us possible new highs. So from this deeper pullback to the downside, all we now are looking to capitalize on the nasdaq is very simple, because this is our previous higher low. All we're going to be looking for, it's for those bullish movements to the upside. If price will be trading above our zone, but if price will be staying below, then I guess we might be looking for those moves to the downside. So I'm making you guys understand will be very simple. If price will be holding above our zone, we look to be bullish, but if price will be holding below or trading below, then we're going to look to be bearish, right? So that's what we're going to be focusing on nasdaq. That's why we have even marked it out, that we're going to be waiting for confirmation. Confirmation is based on us having to understand, is price going to continue bullish, or is price going to trade above our zone so we can continue bullish or be bullish, or is price going to trade below our zone so we can look to be bearish or trade bearish? Do you guys get that? But without further ado, second pair, which is gold. And on gold, as you guys can clearly understand, that our structure on nasdaq was bullish and our structure on gold is also bullish. But on gold, it will be very simple, because prices gave us a clean trade idea, and this trade idea is based on us having to understand that price, we've marked out this very same zone, which is our resistance. And with a resistance being marked out, making you guys understand that with a bullish structure that gives you a resistance. A resistance will be based on you guys having to understand that from this resistance, it's simple that you must understand that if price gives you a resistance in a bullish structure, understand that there's only two takes that you might be looking to focus on within the trading space, right? The first take is, if price will give you a break above that resistance, you're going to look for continuations to the upside. But if price will give you a trade below, then I guess you're going to look forward for those reversals to the downside. As you guys can clearly look at our current price action, we're focusing on two takes. That's why we have a trade idea: bullish above our zone and bearish below, making you guys understand if price will be trading above our zone, we're going to be looking for those bullish moves to the upside. But if price will be trading below, then I guess we're going to be looking for those moves to the downside. You guys get that? So that's what we're going to be focusing on gold for the coming week. But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USDCAD. And USDCAD, understanding, guys, what I'm about to share to you guys is what I always talk about in USDCAD. USDCAD, understanding that price had a push, right? And now price is holding a price is holding a range. So a range, it's based on you guys having to understand that price has highs and price has lows, and price has a strong momentum move, and price has a range, which is more like a momentum pull, which is more like a pullback or a depletion with the bullish sentiment. So from every range, there's two takes that you also need to focus on. One of the first takes is if price will give you a break above our highs, you're gonna look for those moves to the upside. Or if price is gonna give you those moves to the downside, then I guess we're gonna look for those moves to the downside. Same as our current price structure. Price was in a push and now price hit a range. So with a range, there's only two takes. One of the first take is if price will give you a trade above our highs, we'll look for those moves to the upside. But if price will give you those moves to the downside, then I guess we're gonna look trade to be bearish, and that's what we're gonna be focusing on. So that's all that we're gonna be looking forward to capitalize on within the coming week on our 3 trading pairs that we always work on. If you didn't understand, or if you're looking for further assistance, then I guess you're gonna take my number, or just give me a comment, or send us a text, or send us a message on the description, so we can be well aware to what assistance are you looking forward to and what you might need assistance based on. But without further ado, that's your boy Harlem. I appreciate the love, appreciate the support, and all I'm gonna do is to keep on showing up for you guys, so you guys can keep on learning, growing, and evolving and being the best traders that you're destined to be. But that's all I got on this video. That's your boy Harlem, ECOT, and I'll catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.